What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error. And I'm just going to show you how to fix this error, and the error is NP-103109-4. This service is currently under maintenance. It's a network error. Sometimes when you're working on the updates, our server is not working in some regions, not in all. So simply I'm just show you how to fix, and I'm just going to show you my screen on the left side. And here we are at the screen. We must go to the settings and then user and account. You must check the user and account is logged in or not, or your console is logged in or not automatically. Then go to the network here, view PlayStation network services. Sometimes the server is down, so when you're working on the updates, that's why you get this error normally. And if you get the red option here, you just wait, soon we'll fix this up automatically because the server is down. If you get the all is green, then the server is working up and good. Your local internet have a problem. You must go set the internet connections here, your frequency, advanced settings, and you also do in the LAN 1 cables also, DNS primary and secondary, and to setting manually you can set it. And I'm just going to suggest you use a LAN cable, then the Wi-Fi directly connected from the router to PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, and you will get the better speed. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one.